Carpets gracefully unroll, wires connect, speakers carried, fence and chairs line up for the global gathering in the blessed town of Qadian. With Jalsah Salana Qadian just a day away, guests arrive to passionately embrace slogans, warmly soaking in the spirit of unity and celebration. Distinguished guests of the promised Messiah alayhi salam journey from every corner of the globe. An arrangement comprising 22 permanent residencies and temporary tents have been set up to ensure the utmost comfort and care for the guests.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हर साल की तरह इमसाल भी कादियान दारुल अमान में जलसा सालाना कादियान के इंतज़ामात जोश व खरोश के साथ अहसन